Greetings and salutation, Driver Driver here. Let's install the summer wheels and tires. I've had these wheels since Christmas, just begging to be installed. These are the APR 01 flow-formed wheels with Bridgestone Potenza S04 pole position summer tires mounted. I went with the same 18-inch diameter wheels, but they are 1 inch wider than stock. Because of this, I went with 245/40 R18 tires for the summer versus 225/45 R18 for the winter tires, which is also the stock size. Let's get into it. I'm using the factory jack and tire iron, which is located in the trunk under the cover. The jack gets placed in this specific reinforced location under the car. Before lifting the corner, I had already started loosening the wheel bolts. Once the wheel was off the ground, I finished removing the wheel bolts. The tire just pulls off at this point. Now to see the new wheel on the car for the first time. I had already installed the hub ring, it just pops in. Once the wheel is sitting on the hub, I place the wheel bolts in by hand. I then snug them up with the standard socket before finally using the torque wrench to tighten to the proper specs. Normally I would have lowered the car before doing the final torque. Not sure why I didn't this time. The wheel looks great on the car. I am very impressed. This time I didn't weigh all of the wheels, just one of each. The winter tire on the stock wheel weighs 54.08 pounds, while the summer tire on the APR wheel weighs 48 pounds on the nose, a savings of approximately 6 pounds per corner. Now there are a few things I didn't expect. First, I was really looking forward to installing the factory VW center caps in the wheels, but as you can see, they don't fit. They're just too small. I had to use the APR center caps, and while they are nice, I pretty much had my heart set on the VW center caps. The wheels have this APR logo at one point. I wanted to place the center caps so the text read in the same direction, but also so that the APR text lines up with one of the spokes on the wheel. Once there, it just snaps in place. And yes, this is easier with two hands if not holding a camera. As a small touch, I also got the APR valve stem caps in the matching color. Taking off the ugly green caps and putting these on. It's the little details that pull it all together. And that leads me to my final unexpected disappointment. While these wheels can use the stock wheel bolts, the VW bolt head caps don't fit. This also means that the factory tire iron no longer fits as well. Now I have to get some new wheel bolts and carry another tire iron. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.